sammen. Hey allihopa. Hey you guys. My name is Lise. I'm 22 years old. I come from Denmark. I'm born in Denmark, raised in Denmark, lived in Denmark my entire life. I speak English, as you can hear, a little bit German, and then I speak Scandinavian, like Swedish and Norwegian, and then of course Danish. One of my hobbies is baking.
Cause I'm still awake. Can you help me unravel my latest mistake? I don't love him. Winter just wasn't my season.
Hey, just putting buttercream on the cake. And I love to play handball. Now I'm going to play a little bit with my big brother. I also love rhythmic gymnastics. I've been a gymnast for 15 years, and that fact plus the fact that I love to spend time with kids makes it even more fun to do mini disco. The reason why I want to be an entertainer is because I love to entertain kids. I love to make their holidays a blast. I would like to be the reason they come home and say, oh, I'm going to go there next year. I want to have fun, I want to work hard, I want to have some very nice colleagues, and I know all that is in one package, and it's called tourism and entertainment job. So that is why I really want this job, and that is why I'm going through this course right now. I've actually been at guide school in Spain for about 1.5 years ago, Service & Co, and that is where my my big interest in this business started. So now I just want to experience it on my own hand.